Hello guys, this is Alex and this is a Mercedes Vito broken window cable. So the window's not going up and down. You can hear the motor clicking and trying to wind it up or down. The cable itself is not actually broken. What broke was the little star there that goes in the motor, in there, that broke. That's where the new one comes. Where's the metal one? There you go. So I'm going to show you how to take the cover off. First thing you need to do is take that off there. That comes off with a little clip that goes behind. Then you're going to have 1, 2 screws. 1 screw there. And 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws, plastic screws. Then you need to get the plastic tool behind the cover, and it's all just clips. Them little clips, they'll come undone. Don't forget to disconnect the speaker once you can get to the back of the cover. And you're going to need to disconnect the cable from there. The cable will be sitting in that locator. Just pull it out and then pull the little cable up. I'm going to show you the cable now. That's the one. Just pull it out and then that comes up. Next thing will be is disconnecting the speaker and all the cables. You need to disconnect as much cables as you can. Remove this little control module. You just need to squeeze that one and this one. It'll come out of them holes and you'll remove it. So that's out of the way. Then you have to remove this bit. That comes off to get the access. Then you're gonna have 1 10mm, another 10mm, 10mm there, and another 10mm behind there. There it is, to remove the window regulator, because it comes with a whole pack. But first I would suggest get help of your mates to undo that 10mm. Don't take the whole nut off, just undo it. And that one there. And hold the window. Someone needs to hold the window for you while you're doing that. So you can remove the mechanism through the hole and lift the window up. You need to get the window in this position. So just down a bit. In case of this is broken, you can get a grips in there, pliers or whatever, and turn it manually just to get it down a bit, so you can align that nut there. Once you've done them, obviously get someone to hold the window for you and remove the whole frame. There's a new one. So once you remove that, that's what holds your window, and that one in the rubber. Get that one in, get the bit back on. This is held by 3 Phillips screws, held on there. You will see it when you're removing it. In case your motor is knackered, you will have to order the motor as well, but if you can hear it trying to work up and down, that means the water is alright, so don't worry about that. It will be a lot cheaper just to get that pack there. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. The one thing I forgot to tell you is when you're removing the cover, the last step when you remove all the clips and done it, it'll be stuck next to the window, so you just have to work it up. Just work it all the way up to remove it from there, and obviously there. Just work it up, and then to put everything back together, don't forget to try and glue this back on as much as you can. Get some sellotape on it to join it up, because that protects it from humidity. I got special stuff that I'm going to put on it afterwards to glue it back on. But yeah, and don't forget to connect everything back on. all the connectors, and once you put the cover on, test everything that it works please, and then bolt it up. That's pretty much it guys. If you need any more help on the Mercedes Vito, I'm gonna do a video about service now. Ask me, comment below, subscribe to my videos, don't forget please, because it will be nice to be appreciated, and I'll be making more and more videos for you as reach 100 videos now, and it's nice when people email me thanking me for the video. So yeah, please get in touch and I'll let you know how everything's doing. Thank you very much. Bye.